Oh, hello. In this video I will create a new Leiningen project, perform some simple operations, and I will connect the project with Visual Studio Code and then just perform a simple run of the compiler just to show that everything works as intended. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna create a folder and the new project's gonna exist. Let me check. C development and new folder. This time I'll call it 02 lane. Yeah, 02 lane. Okay. Now I'll run the Windows PowerShell. Okay, and now just to make sure that lane is working as intended, lane version. Yeah, okay. And now I have to change the directory to this new folder I've just created. So ls cd development cd closure and cd 02. So now I'm inside the folder of 02 lane. So first operation which I'm gonna create is the create a new application. So new lane, new app, let's call it test 02. Okay, ls cd test 02 3. So we are inside the application has been created. Physically, files has been created by Leiningen. So now I can go to my Visual Studio Code and just open that new project, which is test 02, select folder, don't save. And as you can see, all the files are here. I think what I'm gonna also perform is to import some simple it doesn't matter. Add some dependency. Let's say that in the future videos I will perform some operations on MongoDB database. Right now I just want to add this dependency to the project. So I can go here and just type closure MongoDB. Okay, some Mongo, get started. What are we looking for? We're looking for this. So basically this is a, you call it a functionality which helps you to perform DB operations between your project and MongoDB. So this is a repository that we have to add to our project. So go back to the Visual Studio Code, dependencies. Okay, and let's say I want to have closure version 0. So dependencies has been added. So I'm just gonna save the file, go back to the PowerShell and perform operation lane depths. Okay, in your case you will see like maybe I can still show it. Let me check. Nope. Okay, in your case, you possibly see some information that the repositories has been downloaded, and that's some kind of confirmation of it. In my case, Clojure 180 and Monger 310, I've already like downloaded them in my previous project, so that's why I can see this this message. But let's say that we will try to add something different, like Clojure Postgres. So I couldn't find anything interesting online, but there's another option which Leiningen provides, which is lane search and Postgres. And as you can see, there are some repositories related to the name Postgres. At this moment, I'm not sure which one is proper version, or I don't know how to operate them, but it's just for this tutorial, just to show you how to add new dependency. Let's say that I'm gonna use this one, so just let's Control C and then go back to the Visual Studio Code, Control V. Okay, so we've got a new repository. Just Control S, go back to the PowerShell and lane deps. Yeah, this is what I've told you that was missing in my previous operations. This repository doesn't exist in my current repositories, so that's why Lane has downloaded it and put it into the existed repositories. So that was a dependency. Meanwhile, I've shown you how to perform search operation. If we'll go back to Visual Studio Code and check source, there is core CLI, which at this moment performs just one operation, prints hello world. So we can go here and just click lane run hello world, and we also can go to test and test. I think test fails. Fix me I fail. Let's check lane test. Fix me I fail. Okay, so tests are working. Main class is working fine. So now how we can perform some operations via Visual Studio Code. So as I've shown you earlier on, you have to import Calva Clojure, and then if you go to your project, you have to click Ctrl G for George, and now we want to start a project, because we are within a project and we want to start a project. So click a project. This is in Leiningen. Okay, just pick any profile, click OK, wait for a while. Okay, so looks good. Yeah, as you can see, we've got a running compiler for our test02.core. So go back to the core CLI and run it. So Alt Enter. Right, we've just built the function, so let's run the function as well. So main. Yeah, as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for now.